What if I told you dieting is the reason you're not losing weight? Yeah, not your laziness, not your metabolism, it's the diet itself. And the worst part? The harder you try, the worse it gets. You start a diet, you feel motivated, disciplined, in control. Day 1, clean eating. Day 3, cravings start. Day 5, you're thinking about food all the time. One cheat meal turns into a cheat day, then a cheat weekend. But here's the truth. You didn't fail the diet. The diet failed you. Your brain has one main job: keep you alive. When you suddenly restrict food, your brain thinks, "We're in danger! Food is disappearing!" So cravings increase. Your brain pushes you toward high-calorie foods. Dopamine spikes harder. Junk food feels more rewarding than before. Obsession begins. You think about food all day. This creates a dangerous cycle. Restrict, crave, overeat, guilt, repeat. Obsession begins. You think about food all day. This is called the restriction-binge cycle, and diets make it worse. You think, I'll just eat clean all week and cheat on Sunday. But psychologically, you start waiting for the cheat meal. That one meal turns into 3,000 plus calories. Your brain doesn't understand cheat. So what actually works? Not strict dieting. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your food, clean, nutritious. 20%, flexible, foods you enjoy. This removes guilt, reduces cravings, and creates consistency. Today's challenge is simple. Follow the 80-20 rule for one day. Don't be perfect, just be balanced. Tomorrow, I'll show you how sleep and stress are secretly making you gain fat. Subscribe to Slim Psychology, because here we don't just lose weight, we change the way your brain works.